Welcome back to DS Trucks. I got the plow on the truck, and this is now post-storm. The 7.3 did great, and I just want to pretty much hang out today and do some work with this truck. So I guess I'll bring you guys along with me so that I can keep those videos coming out. But here is a look at the truck. The 2-yard spreader, the shovels and stuff are on here. Let's jump inside and be on our way. So basically what we got to do today is get the snow blowers and stuff fixed because I did not prepare and I did not have them running right. Basically what I did is I didn't prepare. I didn't put like fuel stabilizer or anything like that in snow blowers, and usually I can get away for a couple of years without doing that and just being lazy. And eventually I would have to just have the carburetor done. But this year I got kind of messed up because none of the snow blowers were run, like nothing would run. So it's gonna cost me like way more money now to fix all these snow blowers. So that kind of sucks. What really sucks is not having machines ready. So I really need to step up my game when it comes to fuel quality. I guess things do kind of change, whereas I used to get away with not necessarily maintaining these snow blowers. I used to at least get a couple years. I got machines from last year that were new last year that will not start up, period. They just won't start up. So yeah, gotta go get the trailer so I can haul like 5 machines at once. And yeah, they all need to be fixed, so let's go ahead and get that trailer. Alright, so here picking up the trailer, I am going to go ahead and pull this dump trailer because it has a better paint on it than the enclosed trailer. This enclosed trailer is so cheap with the paint, and it's already rusting, and it's never even seen snow. Like, it's already chipping, and this is literally the first year. So if I go ahead and pull this trailer, it's just going to pop. All the paint's going to pop on it. Never seen salt, never seen just maybe rain, but this trailer's been pulled in the rain and everything, and the salt and the snow and everything, and as long as you wash it off, it's pretty good. So I keep it oiled and washed and everything, so I'm hooked to this one. But as you can see on the 350, we have the spreader on the truck. So I'm going to show you guys how this works when we have a spreader. How do we end up towing a trailer when we don't have access to our hitch? Let me go ahead and get this all set up. Okay, so here is a look at the trailer and truck setup with the salt spreader in the bed. As you can see, I'm hooked there, and I got the big spreader in the bed. I got the spinner in the trailer right there, and I got four snow blowers back there to go get repaired. Probably an easy fix. I just don't want to spend time doing it. Probably just as simple as draining out the fuel and whatever, but I start messing with it, and I don't have any way to drain fuel, anywhere to put fuel, and got enough mess here anyway. So what we're gonna do is take these, drop them off, have them figure out what's going on, and then go from there. Alright, so I just dropped off the snow blowers, and I'm pulling the trailer, got the plow on the truck, and the 7.3 is doing great. Now, compared to the 6.7, it's not as powerful, but it does get the job done, and it runs cooler than the 6.7 under these kind of conditions, under these working loads with a blocked radiator, with everything going on. Right now on the 6.7, the fan would be going crazy. It would kick on, and it would just feel like a boat anchor's holding the truck back. So that's one thing. That's one benefit to the 7.3 is it just runs cool compared to even a 6.7. You think the 6.7 would run cooler, but no. 7.3 is just magic how it just never gets hot. But I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this trailer. I'll wash it down another day, but I'm gonna get rid of it because I gotta diagnose my camera on my 250 because the camera went out. But anyway, see you guys back at the house. All right, so I gotta diag this camera and figure out why it's not working. And basically, when I hit reverse, it's just a black screen. So let's just try to play detective for a second. I had someone fill this spreader with salt. This strap kind of goes near the plug, so maybe it got yanked. I already looked underneath here, and the plug is working. The plug is connected. So how it's not working, I'm not exactly sure. So my best guess is that this cord got pulled. This camera's worked for all these years and all of a sudden doesn't work, so the cord must be the culprit. Let me go ahead and get that removed and see what the heck's going on with this. So I took the top of the cover off and I did find a fray in the wire. Let me see if I can't fix this, otherwise I need to order a new wire. All right, so what I've done is backed up the 350 to the 250. I took the camera wire, plugged it into the 250 as a way to rule out anything on the truck. Trying to isolate this wire here, and I think that should be pretty good. I guess I could switch the cameras out too, but plug it in the camera from the 350 into the 250. I confirm that the camera does work. It is probably the cord. We can see it's frayed, but I don't know. Could it be the camera? So check this out. I actually took the camera off of the 350 and put it into the housing on the 250, and it turns out that it's not the wire, it's the actual camera. I switched the cameras open. I took this one open, took the camera out, put the cameras in, and sure enough, it's the camera that failed, not the wire. Even though the wire's frayed, it's still enough there that's connected. And I was looking at that like it's frayed, but it's enough connection there. The camera itself went out. So that's what's needed, the actual camera, not the wire, not the housing. It's the actual camera. So let me sit down on Camera Source and figure out a solution. These freaking cameras are expensive, $350 last time I bought one. And this camera is new. It was purchased last year from the dealership. So I don't know what the heck is going on, but yeah, it's the actual camera that burned out. So let's find a solution here. All right, so now that we know that it is actually the camera module, I can unpack this tailgate and take the camera module out of here and install it on a truck, so we at least have a backup camera, because it's so hard to back up, not crash and get close to stuff when you don't have a camera. So let me go ahead and get this fixed.